big up and respect. You don't know, we're in a Salt River. The vibe is nice, the vibe is right. Trust me. But they are my brethren and my sister, Jason and Gina from, you don't know Jason and Gina YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you massive with their Salt River. How beautiful the place is. Oh my God. Ram up there. You see me I say? But let me tell you this, man. Today, it's all about the ladies them. The ladies them out in them numbers. Me I tell you, say the ladies them can't done when it comes on to Salt River. You understand? Whole heap of G there, whole heap of big bike, whole heap of ring too. You understand? Whole heap of food and pot and bass in thing I go on ready to get the vibes. Just a blaze, no joke, no doubt. I'm telling you, the day just went great, you know what I mean? Chuck off into the water a few times. Whole heap of people, they must swing from limb to limb. May I tell you like some tiresome thing when it comes onto the water. Whole heap of food vendors, restaurant. I mean, I tell you, say, you see Jason finally going to the water, people. You understand? Yeah. When the Jason forward in, alright, that's it. You understand? See Jason here? Yeah, so Jason finally going to the river. May I tell you, how was the river?
Beautiful, refreshing. Because it was
and
hot.
The mineral.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the real mineral. They say, you know, say, Salt River is like one of the most richest, one of the most richest mineral water in the entire world. You know? You understand? So when you come in them there, them heap of healing properties where the water contain. You know, so by the time you reach back a foreigner now, you feel like you're about 15 years old. You know, because what you mean say you're 40, you know. 40. You don't tell nobody else. But you know the vibe go. So the experience of Salt River, I say 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, but even if you do not Tarzan thing.
Next time
you go Tarzan.
It's a reason to come back.
Alright then.
You understand?
So him promise him I go deal with the Tarzan and them thing the next time him forward. No joke, no doubt. See? Yeah. But so far massive the vibe. Yeah, hold on. Gina.
Yes.
Listen to me. Salt River just epic. Watch your outfit. Hey, outside. No joke. I want my dolly there. Dolly, come here, let me talk here. Come here. Because that girl, she just shape good, so. Look good, no man. Oh gosh, no man. Watch her, no man. Figure that. Whole heap of shape. Whole heap of good looking. Her name is Lexi. You don't know. For all of those who don't know, please, me I beg you go over to Jamaica in 10.
Yes, shout out to Jamaica in 10. Yes, guys.
And subscribe to our channel. Come, tell me about a little bit about Salt River. What people them probably don't know.
Alright, so Salt River is located in Clarendon, southern Clarendon, and it is said to have water that is originally from Milk River, as Fabian said, as one of the highest mineral contents in the world, and it's believed to have healing properties. So here is a spot that you can come, you can park, you can eat, hang, chill, play domino, whatever, and it is completely free to enter, and the food is absolutely reasonable, so it's worth it.
So if you were like when you there, you're like, oh yeah, me and you was there. Tell them what your favorite food on the father. Which part we buy?
Fish and Festival, of course. At Jelina's.
Yeah, the best food.
Jelina never too.
So listen me, and an El Shop price you get. You hear that? Trust me. So if you want to feel an El Shop vibe without the El Shop price,
me call no name.
Me a call name. So remember, you have a forward a Salt River. Where them a go? When you tell them to subscribe to the channel and all of them become beautiful things. When they not talk, look right at so I want the people them soon, you know. You understand? So this is Gina from Jason and Gina. You understand? And you say your vibe here was really good.
I enjoyed myself. Honestly, I'm not really a water person like that, so that's not my thing. But it was nice to just sit out by the water, catch a breeze, hear the music. I drank a Red Stripe. I was over there laughing with my girl Lexi Boo. It was a good time. It was nice. I really enjoyed myself.
10 out of 10.
And if you don't have Jason and Gina, come on guys, what you here for? We stay outside, guys. We outside. We in Jamaica now, chilling with the family. So please go over there and show us some love. We would really appreciate
love,
it.
guys. Support is free. Remember that.
Absolutely.
That's a code. So massive there you have it. Just a great vibe, just a great chilling down here. You know what I mean? It's all about Salt River. It's Clarendon, it's Jamaica. The vibe capital of the whole world. Jamaica, you hear in the background, whole heap of music, a beat and thing. I'm not joking, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Salt River? The place is right. You understand? Watch out, dancing. Come on, them and I mean, Jamaica in 10, Jason and Gina, it's all about Salt River. I'm not telling you, all the ladies them come down. All the ladies them around. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So, all my beautiful people, big up. I want to say thank you so much for tuning into Jamaica Walk By. Just a simple video, just a simple blog. You know what I mean? Place to be, Salt River, when it comes down to having the nice river vibe there. If you're there in the Clarendon area, my massive scene, No joke, no doubt. Everything down there, don't worry about the festivities and them things, because sometimes you forward and the place empty, sometimes you forward and the place just rampack. So forgive me today one of them day there is a Sunday, the place rampack. Pack. You understand? You probably can't get place to park, you probably can't get place to sit down. But for me, I always enjoy it when the place packed. I don't know why, because I see so much things are going. The place feel good and thing, and I mean that. Inside of the water, people are jump off a tire, people are jump off a tree. All of them, some of them little data have fun. It's just crazy vibe. But for Lexi on another hole, Lexi I go want the place to be silent and nothing. And she want to just look on the water like a looking glass. She look through. You see me I say? So she forward early morning. If she can reach at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, yeah, by the time she go to in the water and she outside, by the time everybody will come and the security them will pull up a place, she gone. You understand? But as for me, it's a vibrant day, it's beautiful, and just want to say thank you so much for watching and just take that little story. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but if you want to have fun, Salt River. If you want to get some real reasonable price fish and festival soup, fried chicken from all of them beautiful vendors there, Salt River. If you want to wash off the salt, this half of you, Salt River. Yeah. Oh wait, Salt River. But you don't know the thing though. Big up, respect, big up to all my subscribers, Cadine Sterling, you don't know Freestyle, you don't know, big up to my members, Jason and Gina, CM Speed, I want to big up Preston, all of them and them, everybody will support Jamaica Walk By, thank you so much, Heart of Love, keep on supporting, I'm just want to say God bless, and please may I ask you, subscribe to Lexi channel, one more time for the beautiful Dolly over here, so, how you mean man, Lord, she come right out, Jamaica Intent no massive. Please subscribe to our channel, no joke. She on her way to 10,000 subscribers and she have a very detailed video about Salt River, so you can definitely check that out. You see me I say, please and thanks, go over to Lexi channel, Jamaica Intent, and you find the Salt River video and think, tell them what them can find another video.
So for Jamaica Intent, you find a little bit more details in terms of the location, the community surrounding Salt River, just what you find here, plans for future renovations and stuff like that. It's very interesting.
Yeah, she said very interesting. I'm going to tell you, me stand by it 110%, see? So go over to Jamaica in 10 and subscribe. It's Jamaica in number 10, see? You can't miss it. Thank you so much. Close on for me.
Well, thank you so much for watching another Jamaica Walk By video. You know we bring the vibes, we bring the raw, natural vibes in Jamaica. So please make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment so that we can continue to build this majestic platform and we can keep bringing you the good vibes.
Go 360 before you go. Let them see again. One more time. Show them how that look good, man. We can't do it on the street. I mean, Lord. Outside, I might dolly that.